This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. All of the following features are included: a leather dash, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a CD player, a four-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Andy Mohr Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars as well as pre-owned cars in Indianapolis. You can visit our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit Andy Mohr Chevrolet today at 2712 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohr-chevrolet.com.